Hi, Ted Brooks with Alfra Maglogics again. We're going to talk a little bit more about the new products from Alfra Maglogics, like our adjustable angle. One of the most powerful and incredible tools you'll ever use to make sure that you can do some of the most difficult fabrication by yourself in the shop safely. I'll show you an example of one of those difficult things we need to do, like putting a cross piece, a heavy piece of steel at an angle, onto a frame we've already built. I'm going to bring this piece over here and simply put it a little bit proud of the top of this tube stock. And we've cut this piece to a very exacting angle for the work we need to do. So I'm going to bring in my adjustable angle. I'm going to set my piece of steel on it, bring it right up to the point where it touches that magnet, and that's going to be my guide. At this point, just bring the adjustable angle back until the seams line up beautifully. That looks about right. Go ahead and tighten that down and turn the magnets on. Simple to do, even one-handed. Tighten the adjustable angle up, and we know that this piece of steel is not going anywhere. Now I'm going to make sure that I don't have to go back and start banging this around like I usually do after a tack. So I'll take another magnet, put it right over the seam and turn it on. Now I know that everything is absolutely aligned, right flush to the edge where it belongs, perfectly aligned with the side of my tube stock, and held securely while I go in here and get a couple of tacks in. This is the kinds of things that the Alfra Maglogics adjustable angle and entire family of TMC product can do for you. Faster, safer, easier, even on 1/4 inch limited contact tube stock. There's just no easier way to do this kind of work by yourself.